Hi, welcome to the new episode of Learning Krita. Krita has been available on Android for a while now, and with the latest version supporting gestures, Krita has become a powerful tool for an on-the-move artist. But the interface has still a lot to be desired, since there is no dedicated tablet or mobile interface. However, since Krita supports UI customization, I have prepared a makeshift adjustment to the interface to work in a touch-based system like a screen-based drawing tablet or Android tablet. Before we move on, there are some prerequisites to it. The first is you must have a Krita version 5.1x or higher, since these have the required gesture feature. Second is that you must have a device where touch input works, especially multi-touch. This works really well on Android based tablets like Galaxy Tab series, Windows Surface, etc., or some touch enabled drawing tablets. With this out of the way, let's get started. We will start with default layout. Our target is to get as minimal as possible. And let's create a new image. Now Krita already has a minimal interface mode, which is the canvas only mode. This can be enabled by pressing tab in keyboard or 4-finger touch gesture on touch device. This, however, is too minimal. Tab out or do the 4-finger touch gesture again. Go to settings, configure Krita, canvas only setting, and uncheck toolbar. Now the canvas mode has more functionality which you can use, like opening file, brush select, etc. The very important part is to disable touch painting. Go to setting, configure Krita, general, and in tool tab uncheck touch enable painting. This will free up the touch gesture for other tasks. We also need to select colors quickly. For this we need to take two steps. The first step should be already enabled, but to make it double sure, go to settings, configure Krita, canvas input setting, and in show pop-up widget, ensure that gesture 1-finger tap is activated. This will allow us to simply tap with finger to turn on our color wheel palette. Thus our favorite brush and color wheel is available in one single gesture. What about the brush size and opacity? It's available on the top, but it's too far away. So a simple solution to turn on brush settings in pop-up palette only. Thus brush size can be changed on the fly. Just click on this arrow to enable it. This already feels like a viable tablet interface. But wait, there is more. Color picker is an extremely painful task. On keyboard it's extremely easy. With control key it picks color and reverts back to brush mode. Touch is a different thing, where you need to go out of canvas mode, pick the dropper tool, pick color, change to brush again, go to canvas mode and paint. However, the solution is very elegant. Go to settings, configure Krita, canvas input setting, and in alternate invocation enable gesture, 1-finger drag and select color sampler. This will enable you to select colors with 1 finger. Dragging and going over will also help you select colors. This is mind-blowingly simple and I guess should be enabled by default. Our last predicament is layer manipulation and tool selection. This sadly has no good solution, which does not break the immersion unless Krita adds a feature to hide or unhide the toolbox and Docker with a button or gesture. But there are two alternatives you can do. Tab out of canvas mode only using 4-finger gesture, or you can configure toolbar to have show Docker button. This button can enable and disable toolbox and Docker. So with this you get 90% what a touch interface should be like. And with the advent of 5.2 version, you will also get an easy layer selection with checkbox, and thus you can easily group layer and use blending modes. Let's go over that too. Just check the layers you want to select and press the plus sign. This will create a group. I have also created a mockup for tablet UI interface and have posted it in the official forum. If you like this, you can vote for it so that the same can be implemented. This, in my opinion, is not groundbreaking and should be simple to implement, but it also adds a tremendous speed to the workflow. Alright guys, see you in the next video. Bye.